This is the River Dee at Trevor, and this stretch of the river has a secret that needs to be shared. And that's because it's the birthplace of competitive canoe slalom in the UK. In 1939, Franz Schilioff organised the first ever canoe slalom competition in Britain, and thankfully, because he was also instrumental in setting up the British Canoeing Film Library, we still have the footage from that historic day. You might notice a few differences from present-day canoe slalom competitions, with bare-chested paddlers and huge unwieldy craft. But the essence of canoe slalom is all there. There's no question that the river has changed over the years, and it's probably unrecognisable from what it was then. In fact, it's hard to find anybody locally who actually thinks of this place as Trevor Rocks. To them, Trevor Rocks is a place on a hillside above a pub. It's also really difficult to find reference material giving a precise location of the event. The chalkboard map in the footage clearly shows 3 channels, but at the only whitewater section of the river at Trevor, there's only a single channel, although in the past there was a mill stream on the left under the balcony. And the fallen trees suggest other landmass in the stream at some point. This stretch of the river is known to canoeists as Trevor Rocks though, which further suggests a connection, but it's hard to be definitive. When you look back at the archive footage though, it doesn't really matter where exactly on this stretch of the River Dee those intrepid paddlers first ran the rapids in competition. With the Canoe Slalom World Championships taking place in London this year, it's just fascinating to look back in time and see how far canoe slalom in the UK has come since then.